Life cycle of ameloblast part 1. So ameloblasts are basically the enamel forming cells, and there are 6 stages in the life cycle of an ameloblast, and I memorized these stages through a mnemonic, that is मैंने ओला फ्री में पकड़ डाली. M for morphogenic, O for organizing, F for formative, M for maturative, P for protective, and D for desmolytic. First is the morphogenic stage, and as the name suggests, it determines the shape of the crown and DE junction. Now cells here are short columnar cells which have large oval nuclei. Centrioles and Golgi apparatus are located at the proximal end of the cell, that is close to the stratum intermedium. Mitochondria is evenly dispersed throughout the cytoplasm, and during differentiation it migrates to the basal region, and there is an appearance of terminal bars. Now these terminal bars indicate a point of close contact between the cells. The adjacent pulpal layer is narrow and cell free, and the cells of inner enamel epithelium are separated from connective tissue by a delicate basal lamina. Next is the organizing stage. Now in this stage, the cells of inner enamel epithelium interact with the cells of connective tissue, which later differentiate to form odontoblasts. Now there is a change in appearance of cells. The cells become longer. Nucleus free zone are now at the distal ends, and the Golgi apparatus and centrioles are also at the distal end. This is termed as reversal of polarity. The clear cell-free zone between the inner enamel epithelium and dental papilla disappears. Now preameloblast secretes protein that is similar to the enamel matrix, and during the terminal phase of this stage, the formation of dentine by odontoblasts begin. Now when dentine formation occurs, it cuts ameloblast from its original supply of nourishment, which is termed as reversal of nutritional source. Now this stage is characterized by the proliferation of capillaries and gradual reduction and disappearance of stellate reticulum.